Welcome to the tutorial on creating vlog storytelling.
One, two, 3, yeah. Whoa.
Let's start. Upload your video and background music. Shrink size adjust at the top right corner. From the next beat, add another overlay video, crop size to 1.1. Place at top left corner. Similarly, add 3 more images. Now as the next beat hits, add video clips in the main track, ratio 9:16. Trim from all the changing beats. Add text. I used this template. Gave yellow font color. That's it. Please subscribe for more videos.